Got the Unimate controller. Got one of our 200s. Gonna power it on, see what happens. Not expecting a huge amount, but
we're hoping to release the brakes.
Yeah. Ready?
I'm ready.
Unimation 2. Disk drive activity. Air, no valve.
Yeah. We're sure it needs a terminal to run the valve program.
Yeah.
But what we're hoping now is that we can release the brakes and move the arm around a little.
Brake release.
Still rigid?
Does something. Arm power on.
What about the, oh, I heard the brakes go. You just got to get it out of the thing.
Oh, yeah.
Hey!
Oh, and then it locks in place. So it's only while you're holding this button.
Okay. Unlike the 560s, these don't have lockouts on the hand.
Oh, but all the axes move.
All right.
I think.
Well, let's test.
Let me hold this in place. Well,
I'll hold this.
Yeah, hold that. Well, yeah, this one's a touch stiff, but it moves. Oh,
yeah, we'll run it through
bad.
the full range. See what we got. Well, it's got some crappy old tape on the back there we got to get off. Oh, wow, that has a wide range of motion.
Yeah. Very.
Here, spin it back this way so we can get a better look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this just loosened up. It was pretty sticky, but now it's good.
Yeah, we got to get all these. These things have been sitting for at least 25 years.
Yeah. Oh, this one's got more axes on the front than
the 500s?
Yeah, because the 500s only have... No, I guess they do have 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
oh, here.
Hold it.
Rotate it back toward me. I'm holding.
Nah, you're not holding hard enough.
I am, though.
Okay.
I literally have it pressed all the way in. Is that as far as it rotates that way?
This is, yeah.
Okay.
I can spin it all the way around like this.
Yeah, there we go. That's what we want.
Okay. There we go. Now you can let go.
Okay, so we got this, but see, these still move. We got this way, and then this way. So we got 3 axes there, then 4, 5, and then the turret makes 6.
Yeah.
So the good news is the brake release works. And now we just need to open up this old terminal and cross our fingers and hope we can actually get Val 2. The Unimation Val 2 program. Hopefully we can get this 1981 floppy disk working.
Yeah.
With our new old stock 1981 Zenith terminal and have an authentic Unimation experience.